What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 24th of March. It is Friday morning. We are gonna take a look at Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the Coreum, the Gate.io chart. We'll check out the Uphold website as well as the Sologenic website for the airdrop or the snapshot for the airdrop for Coreum, XRP, and Sologenic holders. So pretty wild day here, guys. Welcome to the channel. A lot of volatility yesterday in the Coreum chart. Looks like we hit a high yesterday midday on this chart anyways, up there at $1.32. 1326, way up here. So if you drew it like a resistance trend line here, broke that big time to the upside, was relatively quiet last night, and then we actually have reversed, broke to the downside here. So on this chart, the high was 136. So far, today's low would be, let's see, 31 cents. So the volatility is definitely present. That is a massive 300+% range so far. We'll see how this thing does down the road for the either you hold this or you're going to receive this since you hold Sologenic or XRP over on the Uphold platform. So guys, let's take a quick look over at Bitcoin. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the subscribers, guys. So once again, guys, we spoke about this in our past couple videos, expecting Bitcoin to take a pause and either one, trade sideways, or two, pull back to the 26,25,760 level before resuming its uptrend. We have a resistance line that has been in play at the 28,249.67. And you can see the price is struggling to get above that. And how do we know that? Well, look at all of our candle wicks. We're wicking above that level. So this is a very, very valid level. Also keeping in mind, guys, that the RSI down here is lofty to say the least. Now we have seen it go higher. We spoke about this in the it might have been the last Coreum video. I think we briefed on Bitcoin, but I'm not quite sure. We have seen RSI go higher up into the mid to high 80s, and where the RSI currently is right now is just in the 70s. So as price takes a little bit of a break here, maybe it pulls back, maybe it just goes sideways, lets the RSI start to perhaps pull back a little bit, we could see the breakout higher. What's the next target for Bitcoin? Well, on my chart, it's 30,234.98. So that is that. That will play a role on the rest of the market as Bitcoin trades sideways or down. It should have an effect on most of, if not all, of the market. So we'll have to see how Coreum does over the weekend. And I believe the snapshot has already taken place for the XRP Sologenic holders or Coreum holders. If you bought Coreum yesterday, I believe it was listed yesterday, then you will receive the snapshot as well, and therefore the airdrop. Guys, if we head over to the Sologenic website here, so let's see, the Sologenic website, this article was posted on December 20th, 2022. So we read through some of this write-up in yesterday's, or I think it was yesterday's or 2 days ago's video. And this is subject to change. So if we scroll down here, guys, so the snapshot is today, 4 a.m. at the universal time, 4 a.m. UTC time will be the snapshot. The distribution schedule for this, so if you're an XRP holder, you'll get 100% of the airdrop will show up on the 15th of May. Shows up all at once. If you're a Sologenic holder, 100% also shows up on the 15th of May this year, 2023. So we're heading into April here, and then we're heading into May, and that's when you'll receive your Coreum airdrop, your X-Core for those two holders. If you are a Coreum holder, the distribution schedule is different. It's April, June, August, November, and each of those months you'll receive 25% of the airdrop. So 25% April, 25% June, 25 August, 25 November. And for that, you receive Coreum, I believe it is. You don't receive the X-Core. The ratios, now these are subject to change according to this article. Let's see here. Okay, so here it is. So Coreum holders, the core holders ratio is 2 Coreum per each core holding. So you should receive 2 Coreum per each 1 Coreum you hold as of the snapshot, which I'm pretty sure already took place. Right now it's 5 a.m. on the East Coast. Pretty sure the snapshot already took place. So I would assume that means you would have to buy Coreum yesterday before the snapshot, obviously, to qualify for that. If you are an XRP or Sologenic holder and you met all the criteria for the snapshot, and therefore you'll be receiving the airdrop in May, the 15th of May, I believe it was, 15th of May, 2023, the ratios. So for the Sologenic holders, you'll be receiving 0.25 X-Core for each solo holding. So you'll be receiving a quarter X-Core per each 1 solo holding. So if you hold XRP, if you're an XRP holder, guys, you'll be receiving 0.025 X-Core per XRP holding. So here is the 0.025 X-Core per each XRP holding. Guys, if you want to, I read through some of this page in yesterday's or 2 days ago's airdrop Coreum video for XRP and solo holders, as well as we read through all of this, the Coreum airdrops for Coreum solo and XRP holders in that last video. I will leave the link to this Uphold page as well as the link to this Sologenic page in today's video description. They're also in the last Coreum video's description. Head over to that video. It's relatively long. It's like 18 minutes. We talk through this, from my understanding, the airdrop and all of that. So check that out. If not, click on these links in the video description and you can inform yourself about what's going on with the airdrop. If you meet or have met the qualifications to receive the airdrop, either in a distribution or all in May. So just wanted to do a brief video here, and we'll keep an eye on the price as it has a massive swing to the upside and reversal to the downside. Keeping our eye on that Bitcoin level, like we said, 28,249.67 current resistance. We'll see if we get that pullback down to 26 or 25,760. The price could just take a pause here, right? Which is what it's doing so far. It's not really showing that much weakness, and it could start to really rocket to the upside, and that would allow that RSI to move higher into that 80 range, which we saw up in here will give us that next breakout, which should, and therefore carry over into the rest of the market, allowing the markets to continue to the upside and allowing some cryptos to break out. Guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to the channel if you are new. If not, go ahead and subscribe. Join us here on the channel. You guys have a great Friday. Let me know down in the comments if you qualified for the Coreum airdrop. Pretty cool stuff happening here in the crypto markets. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll catch you guys throughout the day and throughout the weekend. Thanks. You guys take care.